The accelerated SAP ASAP methodology, the target audience. In this video, we will explain the target audience for the ASAP methodology and the key ASAP project goals. The video is divided into the following topics. Who are the target audience, the ASAP project roles, and the key project roles to access the ASAP methodology. So let's first look at who are the target audience. So in a project, there is a number of different stakeholders or project roles. So it all starts with the project sponsor. Without him, him or her, there is no project. The project sponsor is the one who authorized the project manager. It is the person who initiates the project, and it is the person who is ultimately responsible and who expects the value to be delivered of the project team and the project manager that the project is supposed to achieve. So project sponsor is where it all starts. To help actually deliver the project, there is a number of key roles: quality manager, solution manager, test manager, change manager, data manager, and of course the project manager. And if it's a large project or program, there might even be a program manager. So this is all leadership roles that is reporting either through the project program manager to the project sponsor, or in some cases directly. Now there needs to be a wider team, so there is a number of different roles surrounding the leadership. That can be technical architects, integration consultants, change consultant, project assistant, functional consultants, a lot of different consultants or analyst roles. And of course there might be even people from the business or even a lower level in the project team, dedicated project team, that can be for testing, that can be business users, data assistants, change agents, end users, and so on. And you might also have external roles or stakeholders. That might be vendors, it might be advisors that you're bringing in. So there's a large mix of different stakeholders in a project. But how does this map to the ASAP? So the ASAP target audience, let's just break it down into 4 levels. So you have the project manager or the project leadership, and you can even have SAP partners, which is on 1 level. Then you have the project team members itself. You have the business process owners from the business. You might have IT organization. If it's a dedicated IT organization that is involved, you will have the IT organizational leaders as target audience. And then you will have a number of solution and application architects, as well as application and technology consultants. So this is the key audience for the ASAP methodology. Now, to break this down further, let's look at the specific ASAP project roles. And these are the project roles that is linked in the ASAP methodology as named and specified in the methodology, and which will be the accountable role. Now, who the name or names behind the roles, that is you as the PM, the project manager, and when you are designing the project, that needs to map that to the role. But these are the key SAP project roles: application consultants, business manager, education consultant, education coordinator, instructor, project manager, very key role, solution architects, technology architect, technology consultant, test management consultant, and integration development consultant. Now for these roles, you can read more in the methodology itself. What does that person is responsible for? As well as you can see, based on the attribute mapping, you can see which are the tasks that that person is accountable for. Now, who is going to access the ASAP methodology? Who is going to use this as an important tool? So one thing is that the methodology will help you with all this information: guidance, accelerators, templates, different version, agile, standard implementation. But who is really going to use it? Who's going to access it? So in my view, there is no right or wrong. There is no guideline from SAP in this matter. Now, depending on what literature you read, who you ask, what experience you have from different projects, the answer might be different. in my view, is 75-25. It's 75 the project manager, and it's 25 for the team leads. So the project manager will get everything he or she needs in order to design, construct, structure, as well as communicate the project. The team leads will find valuable assets in there in terms of their specific track. It can be as the test lead, functional lead, technical lead, data manager, whoever the team lead role is. They will be valuable to have access and actually understand the full methodology and to understand how it links to the other tracks, even though that the project manager might extract it, package it differently, and communicate the methodology, the task, the deliverable, the schedule, the roles, all of that. The project manager should communicate to the team leads and to the team. But even though it is valuable for the team leads to have access to the methodology. So project manager, in my view, 75%, and the team leads is valuable to have access, in this case 25%. Let's do a summary. So after completing this video, you should have a good understanding of the target audience for the ASAP methodology and the ASAP project roles. If you want to read more about the specific roles, go to the methodology itself.